We'll make the cube a polygon object, and then we will subdivide it. We'll subdivide it once. Now let's go to the deformation tools, and you'll notice in Cinema 4D we have a number of deformation tools. The bend, the twist, the bulge. We're going to look at the flag a little later on. And this was the old explosion deformation. It's still in the palette, but the explosion effects object is actually more sophisticated and works a lot better. We have the melt, we have shatter and wrap, and then we have a polygon reduction tool. So let's select the explosion effects object, and we're going to take the explosion effects and make it a child of the cube.